All right, so this is an ROV. Any guesses as to what an ROV stands for?
Robotic something.
Close. Hey, that's handy. Right? And you heard this little buzz on the back. You guys are all on camera now. It's kind of handy if we want to bring a specimen. You're going to kind of gently toss it in. Beautiful launch.
And like this one has like very big like bolts,
And then you go to the front and somebody else step down on the tether. So you've always kind of got two people watching the tether. All right? And there's a lot of them, so this is a micro ROV. So I asked my students one time to name this, and they came up with Sunny. They decided that its name was Sunny because it brought light everywhere